Today's video is going to go over sentences that show the uses of WH questions along with how. So here are the uses of WH questions. For what is used for asking about something. For when is used for asking about a time. For where is used for asking about a place. For why is used for asking about a reason. For who is used for asking about a person. And for how is used to introduce direct and indirect questions. So like I said, I've got different sentences showing these, and let's go ahead and take a look at those. So I've got two choices for these. For the first one, we're going to use where or how to fill in the blank. Number one, blank, do you get to school by bus? So are we going to use where or how? That's right, we're going to use how. How do you get to school? By bus. For number two, we have how often or what. So for number two, it says, blank, do you get homework each week? Every day or only on the weekends? So which word fits or words? That's right. How often do you get homework each week? Every day or only on the weekends? Number three is using which or how many. Number three says, blank clothes do you like wearing the most? So what are you going to choose? That's right, you're going to choose which clothes do you like wearing the most? For number four, the two choices are why or what time. So number four says, blank, do you get up in the morning? 7 a.m.? That's right, you're going to say, what time do you get up in the morning? 7 a.m.? Number five says who or why. So number five says, blank, are you learning English because it's fun? So which one are you going to choose? That's right. Why are you learning English? Because it's fun? For number six, we have whose or how often. And number six says, blank birthday is in February. That's right. Whose birthday is in February? For number seven, the two words are how many or who. So the sentence says, blank do you sit next to at school? That's right. Who do you sit next to at school? For number eight, we have where or how many. Number eight says, blank pairs of shoes do you have? More than three? So which one are you going to choose? That's right. How many pairs of shoes do you have? More than three? Number nine, the two choices are where or how often. So number nine says, blank do you live? That's right, it's going to be where do you live? For number 10, we have how often or what. And number 10 says, blank do you like doing on the weekend? So what are you going to choose? That's right. What do you like doing on the weekend? So for the bonus activity, I just want you to create some WH questions along with how, and just see how you do on them, okay? So I just want to give you some examples of what sentences are constructed using these WH questions, with how, of course, and just give you an idea how they look. Now, there's lots of other ways to do this, paragraph writing, things like that, or explaining something in a story, but I thought I would do this one as an introduction, and maybe later I'll follow it up with one of those. Okay, so that'll do it for today's video. And as always, thank you so much for spending part of your day here with me, and I look forward to seeing you for my next video.